Hey guys, wanna know how to upload images in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. Make sure you are signed in as well. After you're signed in, this dashboard should appear. Now, to edit and upload your picture, just go to one of these three. For now, I'll click on Photo Editor. Now here, to import your pictures, just go to Open and then you can select any one of these options. Let's go to Computer and import any image that we like. And there you have it. Your image has been uploaded, just as easy as that. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.